Ng okra. Yummy. Eat pa more. Yummy. Gusto niya pala yung okra. Ang sarap. Yummy. That is a vegetable. Vegetable. Si Chloe, mag-strong na. Paano yung strong? Mag-strong ka na? Sige pa, more pa. Si Yam, strong ka na? Strong? Paano yung strong?
I slept here. I strong.
Strong. Because you eat gulay, vegetable. Yummy?
Yeah, it's yummy.
It's yummy. Yehey.
I said it's my